joining me today. I really appreciate it. I just wanted to ask you some questions about your solar experience.
Okay.
Alrighty. So why did you go solar?
Really just seeing how utility bills are starting to climb and cost of energy, I figured if we can kind of get our payments set at basically what the solar costs us, why not? So
Question for you. How's the process been thus far before going solar?
it was pretty easy. I didn't have to do a whole lot, so it was nice.
Okay, perfect. Now, would you recommend anyone to go with green home systems?
Yes, I would.
Awesome. Alrighty then. Well, I really appreciate your time today. Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you.